Looks like it. It's kind of tough to tell from this angle down here, zoomed in. But that right there, where is it? Whoa! That little white spot is a big old crater. Check out this wood pile down here. Shut up, dog. The real Vsauce is talking. We don't want to hear you. So all this wood chips, I mean, look at these things. This is solid wood too. I can't even break it. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are pretty powerful. Oh yeah, look, there's even more over on this side. Looks like this guy was going to town up here. Where is it? Oh, that's a good angle. Hound dog over there. He thinks he's Oliver. So yeah, these woodpeckers must have been banging away on something. That's a pretty deep hole up there though. Makes me want to climb a tree.